Hi everyone, in this video we would like to show how you can clear the cache of the Play Store app on your Android device. Please note the fact that in order for this guide to work 100%, we highly recommend that you update everything you have, the Play Store, the Android system, to the latest available version. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, you gotta open up settings. Here, just look for the apps category. Go for manage apps. Here look for the Google Play Store. Here it is. You gotta choose the storage category, and at the storage category right at the bottom just tap on clear data, clear cache. Okay. Right, and as you can see right here, the cache has been cleared successfully. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.